Good evening everyone. This is Nirmali Saikia and welcome back to my channel Effective Teaching. It's been long that I have not uploaded a video since I was busy for some reason and some personal issues. That's why I have not able to upload a video. And today's video is a little unusual because it is related to grammar, but in this video I am going to solve some questions from grammar section. So in this video I am going to solve a question paper from which was conducted by APSC on Child Development Project Officer. So in that exam some questions came from the grammar section. So in this video we are going to solve those questions. These questions are not very tough, that is why it will not take much time. So I will try to make it as short as possible. So quickly let's get into the video without any further delay. So first we have 4 questions from voice, change the voice. So first question was, some boys were helping the wounded man. So first thing we have to notice that what is the tense of this voice. This is in past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense we have to remember the process, how we do voices of past continuous tense, and it is also specifically mentioned that change into passive. So then we have to identify the subject and the object of the voice. So here subject is some boys and the wounded man is the object. So how will we do? The wounded man was, because here we have ing, that therefore we will use being, was being helped. Past participle form of the verb, helped by some boys. So this is done. The wounded man was being helped by some boys. So what was the basic rule of the voice? You have to turn the object into subject, subject into object, then you have to use a be verb according to the tense. Then because it is in continuous tense, that is why I am using being, we will use being, and the verb of the tense we will use the V3, the third form of the verb. So this is done. The second question is, he will finish the work in a fortnight. So this is also into passive. So here we have to find the object, that is the work. This will be the object, he is the subject, and finish is the verb. So this is, you can see this is in future. So how will we do? The work will, then we have to use a be, because we have to change it into passive. The work will be finished. Again the third form of verb, past participle form. The work will be finished by him in a fortnight. So this is done. Then another is, by whom was this done, into active. So we have here by whom, then we have here the be verb, and this is an interrogative sentence. So when we have by whom and the be verb, then we will realize that this sentence is in passive mode. That is why we have to change it into active. So therefore we will use, so this here is the subject. So here instead of by whom we will use who, because the tense is was and past tense, that is why we will use the done is the verb, right? Who did this. Was is in past tense, that is why we use the past form of do verb, done. Who did this? By whom was this done? Then again in the third sentence, the gate was opened by the peon. It is in passive mode and we have to change it in active. That is why the gate will be the subject, was is the be verb, open verb, the peon object. So the peon opened the gate. So these voices are very simple to do if you know the basic things. So I hope the voice section is clear. Then we will go to the to another section, correct the following sentences. So these sentences have some minor errors. What we have to do, we have to identify those minor errors, then we will correct it. So I have decided to quit my job a week ago. Now here we have a hint, a week ago. When there is the specific mention of a week ago, an hour ago, a year ago, last night, then we will know that the tense of the sentence is in simple past tense. Therefore have is not needed. We will write I decided to quit my job a week ago. So what was the error part in this sentence? That so the error part is in the tense section. So we have to correct the tense here. So here he is clever but lacks of experience. There in this sentence of is not needed. We have to simply write he is clever but lacks experience. So you can see that we have only minor errors in these sentences, 4 sentences. Then we have he goes to the college every day. We all know that here the determiner is not needed. We have to write only he goes to college every day. So he goes to college every day. Then in the last sentence, he left the hostel with bag and baggages. So we know this phrase, right? Bag and baggages. If you remember the phrase, this bag has a S. So অসমীয়াত কি আছিলে তালি টোপোলা লৈ. So এইটো কি then we have to write that bags and baggages. So here S is not written, therefore we have to write he left the hostel with bags and baggage. So in the incorrected version we have only bag, corrected version we have the S, bags. So this is done, the correct the following sentences. Then we will move forward towards the synonyms and the antonym section. So we had a very simple two word, lie and strength. We all know the meaning. Lie means false, something misa, or strength means power. So these are the two sentences, we all know the meaning. So the synonyms of, there are many more synonyms available in this word. So we will write lie. In synonyms of the lie is fabrication. We can also write falsehood. So I am writing 2. So antonym we can write genuine and stand. So these are the antonyms of lie. Synonyms: fabrication, falsehood, prevarication. So we can also write that too. And about strength, so strength synonyms: might, power will also be correct, power. Then puissance, which also means might or power. So these 3 we can write. And antonyms of strength: will be frailty, feebleness. So I have written 2 because of your so you can better your vocabulary. And then we will go to the preposition. Put the correct preposition. The principal presided the meeting. So we have, from school days, we have always heard about, we are hearing about this sentence. So the correct preposition will be over. The principal presided over the meeting. So we go to school on foot. If there is bus, bicycle, flight, that types of vehicles we will use by. If there is foot, then we will use on. So here in this case we will use on. I was amazed at his conduct. I was amazed at his conduct. She is eligible the post. She is eligible for the post. So prepositions were done. Then the last section, which is determiners. So correct determiners is very necessary in conversation as well. I have also done a video on determiners as well. You can also go through it for better use of determiners. So in the first, we have dash, children love stories. So we will use many children love stories. Then second, there is dash water in the jug. There is a little water in the jug, because here is water, and water is an uncountable noun. Therefore we will use little, and here we are talking about olop pani. That is why we are using a little water. I nearly met with an accident. I nearly met with an accident. There is much to be said on this subject. There is much to be said on this subject. So these are the we have total numbers of, I think, so 20 marks from this section. So these are the correct answers, and you can check if you have appeared for the exam. You can also recheck these answers. So thank you. That is for today. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you.